Nice. Yeah, thanks to my smartness,
Here's some
I
mussels.
forgot to bring the stove and the gas with the electric cooker. Our only option. Took only about 40 minutes for this to start boiling. 할인 라면을 넣어서 먹어보겠어. Forgot to bring a stove. All primitive.
So what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to feed my family.
Why are you doing this? Why are you 멍멍이 고생 중?
원래 캠핑 와서 배고서 하는 거야.
Forgot to bring stove, right? Who forgot? Well, it looks good actually.
You forgot to remind me.
Oh my goodness.
Sizzling. Inside the foil, we have the hamburger patty. They're all dispersing. Sea bugs.
What is this?
They're not tadpoles.
Is that fish?
Not fish, bugs.
Bugs?
Fire. Yeah. Day 2, night 2.